December's here, and that means yummy holiday treats. These chocolate ginger nuts are a Dutch holiday treat. Let's bake them together. This is what we'll need: salt, food coloring, butter, milk, flour, brown sugar, mixed spice, and baking paper. Let's get started. We need 250 grams of flour, and 125 grams of brown sugar. And big scoop of mixed spice, 150 grams of butter, and 2 spoons of milk. Let's mix them together. Now we are ready for the next step. Divide the dough into 4 pieces and make 4 rolls. Cut into little cubes and roll those into balls, just like that. Rolling, rolling, rolling. Now we fill the tray with our ginger nut. You should flatten them a bit. Ready for the oven! Heat up the oven to 160 degrees Celsius. Ginger nuts are done in 15 to 20 minutes. They smell so good, but we are not done yet. For the icing, you can use powdered sugar or chocolate. I choose chocolate. First, the chocolate needs to melt. Next, we make the unicorn colors. Pick the ginger nut and dip it. What did you think the next color will be? It's green blue. Add a bit of red. Now we have dark purple. I'm also making my favorite color. What's your favorite color? There, almost done. Time to taste it. Yummy! If you like this video, give it a like and subscribe. Oh, be careful. Moms and dads love ginger nuts too.